This is 8 Benjamin Street in Mars Hill. This beautiful home has got so many wonderful attributes to it. So let's just kind of do a walking tour or two. But the first thing outside I want to show you, this home does feature a pool. And this is obviously closed out for the winter. This is making me dream of warmer days in paradise. So it's a beautiful space for entertaining, for relaxing, enjoying some of those warm Maine summer days that we get. It's a nice corner lot. And as you can see, you hear the traffic a little bit. It is in town, so it's nice and convenient for shopping, cute little restaurants. There's even a little ice cream store down the road, grocery stores. So you can it's easily walkable. You can do all of it. Okay, let's go in the garage. Okay, it's a nice big 2-bay garage with some storage upstairs. And we got the heat pumps, a nice little porch on the other side of the house. Okay, let's go have a look inside. There are a lot of updates to this home from when they bought it, and I'm going to put it in the comments so you guys can see. Welcome to 8 Benjamin Street. Right when you walk in, you feel incredibly comfy and at home, and then you have the best door greeter in the world. And so here is the entryway that we just walked into. I just put my sneakers there. It's a nice little space to get in, take care of your coats, your shoes, your mittens, all the things. These are the stairs that go to the basement. And then this nice kitchen, beautiful countertops, new appliances, tastefully done, well taken care of, beautifully taken care of. Nice big island for gathering, cooking, making memories. Then we go into the dining room, a nice big area. Again, well taken care of. Everything is right where it's supposed to be. No fixes needed. You will need to do nothing when you come into this home. To this cozy little family room. This place has got it all. So if you have a large family, there's a room for you. You can find nice little places to tuck in and be comfy, cozy, and right at home. And dryer. Look at the tile. The tile is amazing. It's beautiful. Imported all the way from overseas, Italy. It's gorgeous. It's got that Mediterranean vibe. Beautiful. Let's pull back the curtain. Nice walk-in shower. All well done. Just clean as a whistle. Nice closet. Nice storage space. More storage space. Can't have too much storage space. Okay. And then back out through the laundry room again. More storage. Closets here for all the things you need. And back into the dining room. So the flow of this home is really good for just enjoying your space. The nice living room here. As you can see, we're in the home. You can't hear the traffic. It's nice. So nice. Look at that beautiful fireplace. Oh my gosh. Beautiful fireplace. That's going to feel good in January. And it's fully functional and works. And they use it. Beautiful. Let's go up the stairs. And here we go. It's the second floor. And it features 3 bedrooms. Bedroom 1 is actually a little library, a little book nook right now. Definitely a sweet bedroom space. Let me back up so you guys can get the full kind of scope for this. Nice big closet. Again, everything is as it should be. There's nothing that needs to be fixed, repaired. It's just neat as a pin. Neat as a pin. A little half bath. Perfect. And then another bedroom. Lots of space, big closet, lots of space. My gosh, you could put a king size bed in here, all the furniture, no problem. Beautiful. Man, okay, check this out. This living space is amazing. Primary bedroom. We have the parlor of the primary bedroom. It's such a nice little spot. I just love everything about this. The arch. Look at it from this side. Like, what a beautiful entrance. Okay. Again, it's a beautiful ensuite. King size bed fits no problem. Nice big double closet. And then, I believe, you have a little balcony. Also overlooks the pool and the garage. Perfect for that morning coffee vibe. Wonderful. And love that arch. Look at that, huh? Oh, it just gives it that extra perfect touch. And then the ensuite bathroom, full bath, sink. Neat as a pin. Try not to move too fast here. Beautiful. Nice big space here for an ensuite bathroom. So that's 2 full bathrooms and a half bath. This beautiful primary ensuite bedroom. Beautiful. Okay, let's go check out the basement. As everybody knows, basements are my favorite places in the world, haha. But honestly, this is a really nice basement. Like, I don't really even count this as a basement. Like, it is dry as a bone, solid, clean. No spiders here, folks. Look how nice and neat it is. Nice storage here for the winter wood, for the fireplace. Lots of storage. I mean, look how clean this is. You guys, it's an amazing basement. So much storage. So much storage. Got the generator. Got the circuit breaker. Nicely labeled. Everything is so well maintained. So well done. Oil tank, storage, pantry. You could easily make a game room down here if you wanted. Man cave, a she hut, all of the fun things. I'm always looking for the space for me. And in this house, there's all the spaces for me. So you know what? You guys will love this. Definitely gonna love this. Beautiful. Let's have a real nice close look at the furnace. Look at this thing. You could eat off this thing, you guys. Pensati, top of the line, and it's so well maintained. You don't get this much in some of the homes that we see. They are never quite this well taken care of. It's so impressive. Like I said, I am not a basement fan. I don't know of a lot of women that are. I would hang out in this basement. It's amazing.